Let's take the outreach to the next level with SmartReach's advanced calling feature. Effortlessly reach prospects worldwide and manage your conversations with ease. Stay organized with our calling task manager. Get insights into your interactions with call sentiments. In order to buy the number, first go to the team settings. From phone number section, you can click to add phone number. Then add your first name and last name. Click on yes to buy number. Then check the box for call forwarding. Add the number on which you want to receive the incoming call. Make sure to enable the call recording. Now from the select country drop-down, choose the country for which you want to buy the number. Fees for number is based on the country you select. For example, let's select United States, so it will be billed $1.15 per month for this number. Then click on Buy Phone Number. As you can see, we have got new number. Also, you can add the caller ID for the number. Click on plus to add the caller ID. Add your name and then from the phone number drop-down, select country code and add the number. Same number will be displayed while making the call. For example, Bahamas, and then click on Next. First, click on Create Campaign and choose Multi-Channel Campaign. Then, click Create to proceed. For the first step, set up the campaign manually. From the manual steps, select Create Call Task. You can also add a call script with merge tags that will display during calls. Once done, click Create Step to finalize. The call task has been created. Next, go to Channel Setup, select Call, choose the appropriate number from the drop-down, and click Save Changes. The channel is set up. Configure the campaign settings, preview it, and start the campaign. Go to the task page, where your calling tasks will be created as per the schedule. After the task is created, go to the Call tab in the Task section. You can choose one or more tasks. Click Run, and the extension will pop up, allowing you to make the call from there. Once the call is complete, click Next to choose actions like Task Complete, Skip Task, or Snooze Task. Select Task Complete, then hit Next and confirm. You can choose the sentiment for how your call went from the drop-down. Select one and click Done. Your call has been completed. Once you have completed your call task, you can find it under the Completed section of the Call tab. Here, you will be able to check the sentiments you have applied and also listen to the call recording if the call was connected. From left panel, go to the task page. To create the call task, click on the Add New Task. Then from the pop-up you can select the calling step. Select the prospect you need to call or type and search for the prospect. If you want, you can select the due date as well as time. Click on the Next tab to add the suitable calling script and click on Create. In few seconds, the calling task will get created in the task page. As you can see, the task has been created. To make the call, select the prospect and click on the Run tab. The extension will pop out from where you can place the call. You can access the reports from the left panel. Once you enter the Report section, click on the Call activity to check call reports. You can apply custom duration and other filter. You can scroll down to check call tasks, total calls, how many are dialed calls, how many calls connected and total durations, etc.